Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the battery of the Roomba J7. This tutorial will also be applicable to the Combo J7 since both of these models have the same battery placement and bolt layout underneath. Before we get started, you'll need one tool, this Phillips screwdriver. Any standard size Phillips screwdriver will do. And before you flip the robot over, you'll need to remove the dustbin for the Combo J7 since there's a huge possibility of the water dripping from this water container right here, so you want to avoid that. So let's first start by removing the side brush. So you have access to removing the base plate. So there's one bolt holding the side brush, and you'll need to remove bolts right here, 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 and here. So there's like 4 or 5 bolts underneath that you'll need to remove. Once you get all of the bolts out, carefully lift up the base plate. And once you take off the base plate, this is the location of the battery. So you just push this tab out of the way and pull out the battery. Can get tricky to pull out the battery, so you have to wiggle it a bit. Once you get the battery out, get your replacement battery or original iRobot battery and put it back in. Reattach the base plate. Tighten the screws on the base plate. And reattach the side brush. Flip the robot over, then reattach the dustbin. Now if you have a brand new battery, you'll need to charge it overnight before using the robot, and we're done.